Welcome to the final session of our Spain series. Today we are exploring the beautiful city of Granada, known for its stunning palaces and snowy mountains. In Granada, we say hola. Interestingly, the name Granada even means pomegranate. The Alhambra is a magnificent palace set on a hill. Centuries ago, Moorish kings built this beautiful site, featuring extensive gardens and fountains. Nearby, you will find the Sierra Nevada mountains. These peaks are so close that you can enjoy skiing in the snow and visit the beach all in the same day. The Albaycin is an historic, old white town. It is a maze of charming little white houses perched on a hill, offering what is arguably the best sunset view of the Alhambra. Granada has a delicious local tradition. When grown-ups order a drink, they receive a complimentary plate of food known as tapas. Beyond savory tapas, you should try pianonos, which are tiny sweet cakes rolled in cream and cinnamon. Are you ready to see these palaces and mountains for yourself? We hope you enjoyed this journey to Granada.